Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to turn off phantom power on STEELSERIES Alias Pro. So as you guys see, I'm already in the software, so just click on Alias Pro, and then as you see there's the phantom power. You can see what it does. So it's an electrical signal transmitted through microphone cables to operate microphones that contain active electronic circuitry. STEELSERIES Alias Pro uses a condenser element that requires this setting to be enabled for proper operation. So I don't recommend turning it off, but if you want, you can just left click and turn it off. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.